On November 4th, Austin Public Schools will have a 2-question bond referendum on the ballot to update core infrastructure and address critical needs.
We have steady enrollment here at Ellis Middle School. We're about 750 kids, give or take 10 every year. We need to use every square inch of this building, which means every square inch of the building needs to be up to code, up to standard, safe, and usable. And that can impact how we use the building, classrooms that we use, what we use them for, are they handicap accessible, etc. And some of our spaces simply aren't up to code anymore. Some of our classrooms need ceiling repair. They need surrounding wall repair. We also, down by our gym area, we need more modern restrooms. Plumbing needs to be updated. We had a pipe break last year down in our gym area, and it was a major issue and disrupted programming. Our heating and cooling system needs to be constantly worked with. We need our filtration system so that we have clean air and appropriate temperatures for us to do our work.
I would say making repairs to the HVAC across the district is a weekly and daily thing. There's been several situations where we've had a controller that's went down. We lose the ability to heat or cool the building to what we're targeting. We're rushing over there to bring portable ACs. We might have to move them to, another space as well. By the time we isolate the problem and figure it out, we're going 2 or 3 days before we can get a new controller put in and up and running. It's just a huge expense.
We, of course, want the best facilities possible, not exorbitant, right? Not over the top, but not only usable, but modernized so that we can expand on them. I think those things are really critical to have great spaces for our awesome teachers to use to educate our kids.
Exercise your right to vote on or before November 4th.